In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset eToro chart. If your chart feels cluttered with indicators and drawings, or your analysis has gone in too many directions, a quick reset brings everything back to a clean, readable view. We'll focus on two simple actions: removing indicators and clearing any drawings or trend lines you've added. By the end, you'll have a fresh chart that's easier to read and ready for new analysis. First, let's clear your indicators. Think of indicators like RSI, moving averages, MACD, or Bollinger Bands as extra layers sitting on top of your price chart. To remove them, open your chart's indicator settings or list where all currently active indicators are displayed. Look for a small close or delete option next to each one and remove them one by one. If you see both overlays like moving averages on the price and separate panels below the chart like RSI or MACD, make sure you remove them all. Hiding an indicator only tucks it away. Removing it fully clears the visual noise. Take a moment to scan the chart after each removal so you don't miss any duplicate indicators like multiple moving averages with different lengths. When the list is empty, your chart should show only price and volume depending on your default view. Next, let's delete any drawings or trend lines you've placed. Drawings include trend lines, support and resistance lines, channels, Fibonacci levels, shapes, and text notes. Click a drawing to select it, then delete it using the trash icon or the delete key. If you've placed many drawings, it can help to select one and press delete repeatedly, or use the chart's Manage Drawings option if available to clear them quickly. Be thorough. Check the entire visible area and different zoom levels so hidden lines don't linger off screen. If you've used multiple types of drawings, clear them all, not just the obvious trend lines. When nothing highlights on click and no tool handles appear, your chart is free of drawings. That's it. By removing each indicator from the chart settings and deleting all your drawings and trend lines, you've effectively reset your eToro chart. You should now see a clean price chart without overlays or annotations, making it easier to spot fresh patterns and make objective decisions. If you ever need the same tools again, you can re-add them with intention, keeping your workspace tidy and your analysis sharp. Thanks for watching and enjoy your clean chart.